Hey, so Scott here. Figure I'd give you a video of we're doing another artificial turf job. This was a backyard. They could never get grass to grow. They had dirt. They had dogs. Dogs tore it up. They've got a lot of shade. You can see this whole yard is in shade. It's midday. So they were looking for an alternative. So we showed them how we could do artificial turf for here in the whole side yard, and they could take advantage of having a beautiful backyard, maintenance free, not to need any watering, mowing, weeding, cleaning, other than just enjoying it. So here's a good example. Guys are underway. They've been working here for a couple hours, got the grade set, the base is down, they're putting in the bluestone dust, and next up is the turf. Hey guys, so I am here and the guys are pretty far underway getting this turf job done. Grass is out, RCA is down, bluestone dust is going in. I'll take you up front. So we just worked on pulling all the turf, unrolling it, separating our pieces, cutting them, and getting them prepped. So if you take a look here, we've got roll for the side, which is ready. 1, 2, 3. 3 rolls that are all ready to be laid in the back. Roll number 4 over there, which is ready. Divot sand is here and on site. Dingo helped our morning. Now the guys are unloading the last little bit that is actually in the back of the pickup right there. I'm waiting for our last little order of some additional bluestone dust. So if you have any interest in having artificial turf, feel free to reach out to me. I will answer any questions you have, see how we can help you. It is a great alternative if you want that maintenance free for your yard. So if you look at the side of the house, this is the eastern side of the house. It doesn't get a ton of sun. The north is up here, completely in shade. So this is a good alternative for someone who doesn't want to have to take care of anything. This makes it so you can have a grass lawn. They have 2 dogs, very active. They can come out and play. Spend the time back here. They can use the yard themselves as well and not have to worry about it.